I think London is leading the FinTech race in terms of a combination of investment, ideas, and actually making things happen. I think if you went for pure tech innovation, there are other centres, and pure investment, there are other centres, but London seems to be bringing everything together in a more effective way, because you've got a physical concentration of all elements that are required, so there's less effort for people to naturally bump into each other, partly because the ROE on the banking sector is the outlook is poor enough within banking that innovation has to happen, so it's a priority. And partly I think because the consumers within the UK in general are pretty open-minded and adoptive in terms of new things. The major challenge is that particularly for the financial services industry, it does require the existing players to adopt the technology, not just be pushed aside by it because of the nature of regulation, making it a somewhat protected industry. And this is a massive clash of cultures. There is a skills gap, and I can really only answer that question from the point of view of looking from the financial services industry out. But within that industry there definitely is, and there's also a big issue because if you're running a major institution, you can't just take 5,000 people, move them out and move 5,000 people in, and many of the people in the organisations are not necessarily the right DNA to be rebadged as innovators, so that is a major issue. I'm always just want to hear the latest and new views from other people about the same issues. The issues are the same issues as you've highlighted, but every time you talk to a different set of people you get a different perspective, and I'm looking, I think as everyone is, for real progress. Talking about innovation tourism is very easy. We want to see things in the market actually happening, actually making a difference to customers, to how the banks deal with regulation, and to generating value for London and the UK.